See what this 15-minute candle is going to close like. It might just be a couple little bearish, little tiny bullish candles, and then the sell-off again. Or can 85 hold and we retest the 90? We've got NYSE coming up. I think if we're breaking above 90, closing above this guy, I think we've got a nice little correction coming. Hey Ivan, how are you? Concerned. I don't want to enter anything here, but I see both sides. It can go down and up.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for price to take out that low and retesting this. So it will be much more comfortable for me to look for the buys, because price can still take out that doji low before moving to the upside.
Yeah.
Also in 15 minutes NYSE open will be, so maybe price is just hanging here. So either grabbing orders to move either direction, either to the upside or the downside.
Yeah. Yeah, German just flew, didn't it, afterwards? Don't think there's much demand to keep on pushing price lower. Could be wrong, but what I feel is going to happen is we're going to start making our way back up, and then sales are going to come in again later. Okay, retesting this guy now.
Now for the confirmation, this candle breaking that doji low and turning bullish now. But it has to close bullish.
Yeah.
no buys.
No. Damn, man. Today's hard.
Now we have to wait for the NYSE.
Yeah. I really don't like this. Don't like the look of it. This might be a no trade session. I have to see. The way that this news candle reacted didn't give me any ideas. Now the way price is moving, I'm sure there's people making a lot of money right now. It's not going to be me. Gosh, man, I don't really see. Here's the 80.
Akshay, can you see 1 minute this current candles? For example, if this current candle close strong FU candle, so this is not our entry point.
And why
Doji,
that's only thing?
Doji is picked and candle is closed FU.
But is this happening on our area, point of interest area? Is there anything taken on the left side? Haydos?
Yes, I'm checking that one, please.
Because otherwise, this is you're trying to take entry in the middle of just says watching after this thing. This is not going to work. Maybe this thing fly now, but this will not be like our usual setup.
Yes, I think 1 minute doji has taken on the left side also. If you go left, long left, there is one doji. Liquidity was there.
This one?
Attempted FU. Yes, this one. So if you mark it one, so this was a pending liquidity that is picked. Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe on your broker though.
Yes.
Ajas is trying to force the entry.
No, Hayden is right. It is minor difference, yes.
Yeah. I think he's just preparing for the NYSC.
Yeah. I do like this reaction though.
Ajas got the entry.
Yeah.
Gave many ideas, but you are not accepting. This time I am silent.
Double bottom.
No. This low was taken out, price retested to that candle. But waiting for the close. Because this become HCS then. Push. No?
See, you have taken this entry and you are asking me. No, it will come down. See, it will come down.
Yeah. If it does, based on what's been happening for this, like most of the time, the last couple of weeks, if the entry is good, it's going to come back and test it here again.
Yes. What is actually your entry? What is your entry?
Here.
Yes. See, it came to take us. It came to take us.
But I think it's still dangerous because NYSC open.
Yes.
Now it's look dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, close. I'm not interested now.
Because you did not discuss with me, so that.
Now, in this previous candle could have closed bullish one, or it's like any kind of rejection candle, then I could have just stay in that trade. But this is kind of rejecting, taken out the upside area to again push into the downside. So
yes.
The way I've been seeing it is that I'm going to give a little go if it rejects and close bullish from here. Because I've seen this so many times.
Yeah. If this price is coming to retest this thing, and then again closing bullish on, that's a good indication because 2 HC is going to form here. Second one will be here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna wait. Just want to see something close bullish.
Yes, low stop loss.
Just waiting to see it. See what this minute does. If it pushes all the way down, NYSE will correct 50% of it, potentially. Not in yet, waiting for it to close bullish, so this is why it's to the side.
Okay,
Rejecting
now
the
broke
80.
that. Yeah, we broke that low.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's okay though. If I see something rejecting the 80, closing bullish back above the 80, I'm gonna look for it to go back up to the 90.
No, but Akshay brother, this is still valid because Hayden he marked the attempted FU in the long left, that is attempted FU. So if still it is flip bullish, I think it is okay. No, it's gone.
I want something to close back above the 80. Just gotta wait for NYC to come in. So if NYC opens, breaks the low, starts pushing up, I'll take it. Or if we can close above this, I just don't want to go too early, otherwise the stop loss will be too big.
Losing doji, even better. Like a price, NYS you can push downside first and then again start moving to the upside.
Okay, so 4 seconds.
Akshay brother, can you see the 30 minute? So we cannot expect that 30 minutes can make a push downside and then flip up.
So broke the low.
Yes. See the 30 minutes, please. And now if it is flipping, so we can anticipate the negation happened.
Yeah, at least, but we need 1 minute confirmation. At least 1 minute has to do the any kind of manipulation.
But be ready. Now it's happening now. Be ready.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for it to close back above 80. Oh, there we go.
Push
Yeah.
now.
Let's go. I'm in now. Oops.
Yeah, Haydos is also in.
No.
My stop loss, my entry wasn't very good though. 80.83. Gosh, it slipped. No, it didn't. Just got late. Anyway, up to the 90, so I'm looking at.
He's looking good now. Push. Nice push. Once the price break that high, it's easy buy. I mean, just going to push to the upside.
Yeah.
This attempted FU, right? But stop loss is still big, right, Akshay brother?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I kept my stop loss where it was. Under here, 10. Like I tried to do 10 pips, but it ended up being 14 pips. I'm just trusting the 80 is going to hold now, the key level.
I haven't taken anything. I'm just waiting.
Come on, push.
Once it break that high, it's easy buy. I mean, the price, then it can come back and do this thing.
Come on.
No, it's not looking good.
I think it's okay.
Just wait for the close. And no need to worry. Right now.
Oh, it should not close. Yes. Right, actually, it's not good. Close.
Mhm.
See, has happened upside now.
Yeah, I don't really want it to break the low. That's definitely not what I want. I want it to just be a fake little 1 minute candle and we keep on pushing up. Yeah, come on. Just gonna just break that high.
Nice close. One.
So close. Come on, man. Oh shit.
Maybe close partial if you are not comfortable now, because price did not break that high. Price should have break that high, or you can wait for this candle close. But it's not looking good. Why price immediately this candle close, and why this candle immediately start pushing to the downside?
Okay.
Okay, doing manipulation. Let's see if this turn bullish, turn better now. Break the low here.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Took me out, break even.
Well, like better than the loss.
Yeah. Damn it, man. It's been doing that retest a couple times. So again, you know, it's annoying. Up 1 to 1, comes back, break even. Before 2 to 1. Sorry, nearly 2 to 1 on German 40, break even. This should still be, if this really is the manipulation and they want to take it long, then this is the low. And it's just bouncing around.
Or we can even go to this area before, because this is the last area of liquidity. So where price can bounce to the upside. But we need that confirmation. We still haven't got any kind of HCS to confirmation that we want to push to the upside. It still look like we got the HCS here. We did not got, this wasn't like a better one because this candle immediately closed bearish. Because why this was a strong momentum, why this is immediately this candle closing bearish. Even same thing happened here. This was a bearish candle close. Next candle closed bullish one, but not able to break that high. And immediately next after that bullish candle, why next candle not able to break that high? Immediately close bearish. Let's see how price react here now after testing to this area. Are we again closing bullish one?
Yeah. I gonna take one more trade, I think.
Still looking to trade long off this level again?
Yeah, I'm thinking going long based on home sales, based on price action just before. And if it keeps on dropping lower and I get that, like if it's pushing bullish, the 1 minute candle, I might even, my last trade, it might be a risky trade based on approaching this area just before the news, seeing what it's doing, 1 minute, bullish, going long, wider stop loss I'll keep it because it's in the news. I'm going to do a bit of a wider stop loss on that one. So it'll still be the same risk. It's just risk reward to be less. But I'm going to see that if we're pushing from here, down here, 1 minute bullish candle, 20 more minutes, and then go long to 90. Yeah.
Yes, Akshay, buy it, or Akshay, buy.
No. Not yet.
So I'm going to just wait for that. Yeah, I'm going to wait for the news.
So this could be like a bit of a fake out here.
I think so. I like how it's fast and
Yeah.
I might get into it earlier if I see something I really recognize.
Four-hour doji was taken out now.
Yeah. Cool. All right, just need a setup now. German coming down now.
Starting to move fast now, isn't it?
Now NYC is like I really should just do these streams at NYSE. Gets stuck in this. Like yesterday was great for beforehand, but most of the time price sort of just a bit difficult until NYC.
Okay, brother, it means this sell HCS was okay. What was the reason? How I can trust him?
The sell.
As you know, we was looking for reversal, So
No, the reversal only going to happen if we got the strong HCS setup.
Okay.
Also, 4 hour has to be like a bullish. If 4 hour has to close bullish. Right now we are only bearish right now. Even this 4 hour going to close in 20 minutes.
This is a weekly low. Nice little reaction from there, gosh. Just tap the weekly low. 27 pips. 30 pips. All right. Got one bullet left. This one's going to be exciting. I don't want to get in the habit of taking profit at 1-to-1, but there's my last couple of weeks, I would have been in a much better position if I had. Just one of those weeks, huh? Like one of those fortnights where there's the steady moves. Been getting some good trades still, but the amount of times had starts that ended up with nothing. That you collect all those little tiny wins together, and that's, you know, there's a real case for small risk reward, like low risk reward, still being fine. Oh, German's off, is it? Yep, down she goes. Five, 15, 3, 5, 1. Okay, 15's closed. 15 closed as a bearish candle. Now, can the 30-minute wick down and start pushing back above 1980? And then, if that's the case, the 30-minute candle will be starting to push bullish from here. We'll flip to bullish with a low wick, touching the weekly low, and collecting all this liquidity from the downsides on the back of that news. 5-minute close as a little tiny doji candle, not bad. Little liquidity grab. Want to see something push up a little bit more. Okay, keep an eye on all the time frames now, because it's going to get close. Ideally, when the news is coming out, we're lower. Let me, I'll be right back.
Actually,
Hey Mansoor, how are you?
hi.
Good morning, Mansur bhai.
Hi. Good morning, Akshayji. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Actually, I'm waiting since long time.
Mm-hmm.
So I joined to Kevin and in the news especially.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is already done for the day.
How'd they go?
Yeah, it was quite good. Yeah.
Good.
So Akshayji, you are going to send me the everyday this link or how it works?
No. I think are you not on the hidden stream? Hidden Discord.
It is a hidden site.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. So okay, you Jazz, you join hidden.
Yes. I request you to hide and to join.
Okay, so I can request as well, hidden.
Yeah,
Is
absolutely.
it possible?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you very much. There's a 4 chart for 1 minute, 15 minutes, and
Yeah.
10 hours or 4 hours.
I'm just looking for. I'm just keeping an eye mainly on the 1, 3, and 5.
Okay.
Just waiting to see if there's like a little HCS setup at these lows to potentially get in a little bit sooner. But I'm mainly waiting for the 3 o'clock news or the this one here, the pending home sales. Waiting,
Okay.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this one to come out. Then I'm looking for longs. I'm preferring to look for longs because how low we are. I'm just not really seeing a clean entry just yet. But if I have to enter just before the news, I will use a bit of a wider stop loss. It's gonna
Okay.
could be a risky one.
Okay, great.
I prefer it to be the news coming lower down here. I don't really like how it's sort of drifting higher yet.
So already you participate in the news and send?
I didn't get anything in the news. But I
Okay.
did get a buy just, I think it was this one, this candle here. The buy was
Okay.
like 80 point, I got it about here. And the stop was just under the 80. I was targeting the 90.
Okay.
Price came up and then it was about 1-to-1 up and then came down and I closed it for break even essentially.
Okay.
Yeah, just covered the spread just a touch. Yeah, so looking for the same move now. Just now,
Still looking long or short?
I don't trust going short now because it's already dropped like nearly 300 pips from these highs. So I think the easier move is going to be for now for something that I can on lower time frame that I can manage. I think it's going to be easier for me to look for buys from here. Oh, I just got a phone call coming in. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
I will be back in 15 minutes.
Okay, brother, don't go after 8 minutes. There is a news. Please.
No, I'm not trading news. Don't worry. I'm just a spectator for the news.
Okay, we will also not trade. Okay.
What was that?
He was saying, are you not trading on the news? I just said I'm just spectator for the news.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not trading news. I'm just going to wait for after the news.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we will follow head and don't worry. Go.
But this news is not going to much affect, right?
Sometimes it does.
It is a pink one.
Yeah. Depends on how many people are net short, net long.
Okay.
Yeah. But I don't expect it to be too wild. I think once I have seen, like on the 1 minute charts, it always looks a bit wild. But I have seen like a 50 pip, like quick move on existing home sales before.
Okay.
But it's definitely not something. It's not going to like shake the market massively. Well, I don't think so. We'll see. So no wick, doji, couple little contenders. 5 minutes not really showing much at all. But I wouldn't mind seeing like this. This could even be something that if it's breaking above, if it was breaking above 85, I would look for pullback longs. That's a bit too wide for my liking though, but that is one idea I got. Otherwise above 90, but that means I'd have to set an alert and I'll come back, or probably maybe in the next hour or London close, trading above 90.90 back up to 95 again. Yeah. To be honest, today though, I'm thinking that it's for my trading style. I don't see something that clean. So I'm going to keep it low. I really don't want to like end this day. I've got 0.6% up from all my other little trades that I've taken. Took a couple of losses and a win. I took a couple of losses on overnight on the robot, but then made a winning trade, which made up some, and then I've had 2 break evens. So I'm not really. It's not a good day.
It just sometimes happens.
Yeah, and it's just the trade, you know. That's the way the market moved today. Just didn't really line up with my bias for the clean moves. Gave me like little tiny moves, but each time that my trade was in profit, it didn't get to like a place I can like, or a place that I was comfortable taking any profit off the table, and just came back to entry. It is one of those.
You are waiting now. After the news, you are going to look the structure, and then you are going to take, to enter in a trade, or you already entered in a buy.
No, with this one, I might look for. I'm going to look to see. It might take a trade just before the news, or I'm going to take a trade, see if the volume incoming from the news can push price to my entry, and then go.
Okay.
So it might be like a snapshot.
Okay, you are basically looking for the long.
Yeah, I'm looking for longs. I don't want to change my bias.
Then 90 or 95?
Yeah, at least the 90.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to change my bias, so that's why I'm just gonna look for setups that align with my bias. If it doesn't happen and just keeps on going, then it just didn't give me an entry. But I don't want to go from buying to flipping my bias in this case.
Hayden brother,
Yeah,
you
mate.
know what I am thinking? The price will come to take all this liquidity, and on the 5 minute, we will make the HCS here.
That's
When
what
it
I'm
will
thinking.
flip, when it will flip, we can enter.
Yeah,
This is my idea.
That's along the idea. I mean, what
This
I'm
is my
thinking is like price could do
Yes.
something
Yes.
like that,
1
and
minute.
then
Yes. 1 minute liquidity should pick up.
and then looking for buys around here and trusting that this is gonna hold. With a weekly low though, it could do a 50 pip break underneath the weekly low. But if that's picking up liquidity and we're back above here again, then I think we can do, maybe from here, I'll be targeting 85 instead of 90. But I'm looking for that 100 pip move from here. I'm looking for a 100 pip move. Because it's not that common that NY, like look at the sessions. We've got 1 minute before the news, but basically price pushed up and then it's been down, 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 down. And NYSE started around here. We've only pushed down 50 pips. NYSE volume has a 200 pip range. So is it going to go from here like down another 100 pips? It could. Or is it going to like pull at somehow manipulate price, pull here, and then do push down again to like maybe to the 70? And then what we would have done is NYSE started here, whipped down, pushed up to 90, then went down to like 70, and then they've completed their 200 pip volume. So that's my idea. So I think either way there's going to be an up move. I just want to capture some of it. So this is the last 1 minute before this news. I don't feel comfortable taking buys here. I would potentially get involved with buys above 85, or if it comes down into these areas down here, then I'll take buys. So I'm thinking buys above 85, buys above 75. That's my idea. So I'm going to have to be pretty quick. I'm not going to be able to draw it on the charts, but I'll just verbally say when I've taken it. So here we go. Okay, we're pushing early.
Maybe inducing the people, maybe.
Yeah, I'm not going to take the first break above the 85.
Yes.
Here's the news now. I want it to take liquidity, come down, and then retest the 75, or create a resistance above 85, break that resistance, and then trade to 90. So something like, it's one idea. That's the other idea.
Drop.
So I'm looking for, this is my buy zone, or this is my buy zone. What was the news? Oh, it's a huge miss. That's a massive miss. So that's potentially very good for gold. So look for pullback longs. Pullback longs, or damn, do I want to get an early? Maybe it's not going to, because that's a big miss. There's just a little bit of delay here. Hey Eddie, you're creeping around in the YouTube chat. What's the German doing? Oh man, German's really crashed. Oops. Come on, gold. Why isn't there reaction? It's delayed. Yeah, delayed reaction. I'm going to check all timeframes again. So I think even breaking 80, flipping bullish is going to be a trigger for me to get in. Breaking 80, flipping bullish. Ideally, getting in from 75.
One imbalance is picked actually.
Yeah. Take out this doji low. Okay, I'm gonna jump in now. I anticipate pushing up to 85. And then to 90. If this doesn't work, then it's my last trade for the day. But because the news is slow, I'm not going to risk too much. But what I'm anticipating is that we're not going to have that whipsaw. We're just going to slowly push up.
I will wait for some manipulation actually, but nothing is happening.
Yeah, that's what I'm a little bit concerned about.
Yeah, nothing is happening.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Good. Push for Hayden. Yes. It's gone.
No pullbacks. Here we go. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's gone. Good.
Oh, hit the little the little black line. Come on. Break through it. No pullbacks in it from now. Or a little pullback above the 85 and then keep on going.
Smart Charts is a little bit behind.
Yeah, no surprise there.
You guys are giving it away.
Serious?
About 15 seconds behind. Oh yeah, that's good.
Jeez, man. That's why when you close, it's not where you closed. You closed on.
I was wondering what you were talking.
Oh, right.
I was wondering what you guys were talking about. I'm like, what are they getting excited about here?
Okay, I'm gonna. Gosh, this is what I did last time. Managed it too aggressively, but I don't want this low to be taken out. So I can tighten a little bit. Actually, see how this candle closes. I'm gonna let it break the low, and then if it pushes up, or if it's breaking the high, yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Break even. I don't want it to come back now though.
$19.86 is one doji is there, so you have to.
Yeah, I just want the volume to push in now. It's had its chance. It took a while. It was slow, but based on the news, existing home sales more falling through. That should be good for gold. So that's why I didn't. After seeing such a huge miss, I didn't think there's going to be much of a pullback. Should just be more of a straightforward reaction. Should be a simple setup. Support, confirmation of support. A little wick was a little bit. I could have got a bit of a better price, but when I get in, it's always 2 pip spread, roughly anyway. So this is looking good now. So yeah, beautiful. Good. Nearly 50 pips. Was up to 40.
Targeting 90?
Yeah, targeting 90, but I'm going to take, I wanted this to get to like 50 and then I was going to just secure some.
Yes, on this doji you should secure something.
Yeah, this guy over here,
Yeah,
has pointed out.
you should secure something.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute chart, what are you concerned about there?
Closing underneath 85. Oh, on the one that's over this doji.
Yes, this one.
But I don't want it to close back below 85.
Okay, yep.
If it closes below 85, then I mean stop loss is a break even anyway. Just if it closes below 85, then I reckon it'll probably come back to stop. German tank, yeah, bastard German. Come on. I was thinking just then 40 pips, maybe 40 pips would have been okay to secure some, but it dropped too before I could do anything. So at the moment it's 30 pips. I don't want to do anything at 30 pips. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hold it. Oh no, should have done. Right in the motions now. Well, I'm going to, if this closes under here, I will take a little bit off because I don't think it's a good sign. And I'm sitting about 2% now for the day.
Hey brother, best of luck. See you later, okay? I have to leave.
Ah, see ya, Jess.
Okay, take care brothers, everyone.
Yeah, Jess.
Good. Not closing yet. 2, 1. All right. Just push. I'm gonna close 50% here. I don't like how it's stalling. Okay, done. Yeah. So no matter what happens now, I'm going to be sitting around 2% for the day. Now I'm pleased with that little move. Having this little doji here kind of sucks. Yeah. I think it was a good move. Yeah, that is like, it just needed that continuation. It can still push up. Either way, I'd like, if it's, because it was a clean move up, there is a bit of an imbalance, and it's like a breakout trade. So breakout trades can be a bit difficult to hold if it does do the pullback, not like the liquidity style ones. Yeah, not much I can do now. You know, already secured, let it do its thing, waited, got the move, collected 30 pips at least, 30, 32, and then if it's breaking this low, I'm just going to leave it at my entry. I don't want to raise it any higher. Who else took it? Anyone?
Yeah, I took exactly the same trade.
Beautiful, man.
And I managed it the same.
Good.
Yeah, same, Hayden.
Great work, Danny.
It's good.
I'm
Because
in
I've
a
only got
short.
17.
Oh, Eddie, you're trading against us, are you?
I'm trading against me.
Oh, you're buying and selling.
No. I was long. I've taken it,
Okay.
but I didn't go that high. But
Mm-hmm. Well done, Biala. Oh, you got it earlier, did you?
yeah, I did get it a little bit lower.
Good one. What was your trigger? I couldn't see anything myself.
Where were we? So we took that London. So 76.5.
Yeah. Around here.
Was my and then we took that New York low as well.
Yeah.
And then on the smaller time frame, on the 5, I've got that bit of a hammer.
This one?
I've got that little
Or
lower
these guys?
on the 5 minute.
Oh, the one that
That hammer
closed.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's that was a trigger for me there.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see you
That
talk about those.
it slowed down and it wants to push back up again.
Mm-hmm.
But I was waiting for I thought it was going to pull back a bit more, so
Yeah.
thought it was going to have another little retest.
Thanks, Eden, for today.
Oh, you're welcome, mate.
Yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
And it is a first day with you, and it is a good experience.
Great.
And in the long, I took 1982.18.
Yeah.
And stop loss was 1980.
Yeah.
And 1280 85.48.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's quite good.
Yeah, good one.
Thank you. Have a nice one.
Okay, see
So
you later.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow then.
Yep.
Okay.
See you, buddy. Take care. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, thank you, Hayden.
Oh, you're welcome. Anytime. Thanks for dropping in. It's
I'm
good to
going
have.
to bed now. It's
Very late.
late. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Talk to you soon.
Okay, Beata. Catch you later. Yeah, I think I'm
Have a good day. Bye.
I'm done as well. I think I'm just gonna let this one do its thing. If it's closing above the 90, I'm going to have a look at the price action, but I could potentially get involved above the 90. That one I might hold to 2000 again, but I'll have to see. I'm glad I didn't move my stop loss any more into profit, because this little thing would have taken me out. Still could take me out, but I'm just going to leave it. That's my target, just under 90.90. Yeah. I might just leave it there, guys.
Cool. Thanks, Hayden.
You're welcome. All right.
Thanks, Hayden.
Thanks, Hayden.
All right. Hey, guys, have a
Thank
good
you,
night.
guys. See you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow, all right? Catch you later.
See you guys.
Cheers, mate. Bye.
Please.